So I had to make one last video because my mom calls herself trying to be on Facebook clowning right now. I found this. She's in a bag instead of her box because all this stuff was in my aunt's garage, and she's always doing like yard sales and like donations to the community. And somebody thought my box of personals that I couldn't take with me or I couldn't have shipped to Florida, people were going in it trying to give my stuff away. I'm so glad that didn't happen. But in the process, my baby that my mom gave to me was taken out of her box, her original box, and I don't think I kept the box. I think I just kept the doll, which I want to give to, you know, my daughter. I've kept this doll for so long, and I want to. She's still clean. She just wasn't in her box. She's not in her box. So she's in the bag. She's airtight. She's locked in. She's sealed in. Suffocating. She's going to be okay. She's been through some years. So, in your face, Mom. You're saying I don't have stuff that you gave me, or I don't care about stuff that you gave me. I forgot about her. I have this too.